Why na empa de papa? And na why na who ade ye opa onko pe sika ban beto. Say what must e bia we shia that moment you ni sika. But you will do anything. Say you get the money to go and buy what you want to. You want. Say na obi fa ho konkoto. Enti se bema ebo modia bu nani go so na wotete say yere uye aduane ma no and 10 times no person on wo da on it's not permitted. It should not be allowed. In fact, the man is misusing you.
Too much GH ebusia for me ma obibia akwaba sonko ede eba ye fidie kase yi eso muni aba ekwesi kapa na nso menemo edi ehye na enam eye nua ba bi eye Tracy Boakye omunim se Ghana hanom ye actress na ebiemu so obo ne homoden pa ewo ne nwuma wodie emu oye young na so achieve enyoma ebebre na wo hwese de ema binum yesi eye wo mu esifa na ema bi suban a wo mo dan na de ewo relationship mu na wo hwe na bra board na ni toto ade wo no ankasa wafemu na ehu behia se wo no so wo de kasa kire bi ebeba beto eye Ghana fo aso na ebusian fo moma yenkotie ne nsem no na ye ba ye de mu nchiremu ankasa ebeba beso mo
ye froze how ya shawonia oba ye nhye ne ring on be ma dada bia is a shawo oba ye nye wo ho ade wo ne be ma dada bia say and then the relationship na serious man ku gina kwa ho hye omo mu gina kwa ho no de omo condom hye omo bag mu obi anka meka omo condom hye omo bag mu omo protect omo ho it will shame cry omo they are even safe than us me de me ho ka ho because ye no ye be ho say ye pe serious relationship intino e bia one be man e be ye bibi raw or something because also we serious boy number of times or no better in a month no sebe manu sisimina so e bia shawo ni ogina kwan wan condom she ne bag mo krampo no ye ne that's times no in a month eno no so wajiska wo beka so serious boy wonje Mercy, na me boa. You say you're serious, but you won't take money. You might even be using your money to be cooking for this guy. That should have been the right thing. Ushema, ododie, odokodi odowo. That serious relationship thing should have been the right thing. But enne, emema, aba, menfa ye manka hon. We de emema aba, numbi, ebi, not all of them. O mama me kwa manfo eni. Mama meko akukọ amanfo eni na obi be bo ahyawo e de ne condom ahye ne bag mu da bia ayeyie na wo so betina o serious boy sana ye yusu san wa braye nye ho ade a you am asking you hwan de no mumienu no hwan de na nyansa wo you get people who pretend and I see you obi atena be ma ho for 8 years 10 years 5 years yan ware no siniema onu aduane odi ni sika kra be na oba no kra ni sika na eseye ye mfa ni nkosi bebia na sebe house help kra omotete ye nchen sebo so me yetu omoka house help omotete ye nchen omosisi ye niema no yetu omoka Cynthia thank you true talk the thing is o kind of cry ye so wonye but me I don't know how to pretend enti nipa no be yusu san na on dey boy yo na wo nyem na wo yigu because also onye wo ho ade enti no tobo na wo waste time san ebi kwa timi hye bi mani ye amamu wo free wiase relationship keke no relationship na wo use oba na wo man hwe na wo nye ne ho ade no ebi mutimi yusu wa you see enye it's no good. Let's stop it. Now the okofro bi ashawo won so bi gina kwan ho I say I'm not saying so mama gina kwan no so is good oh no but for you to criticize over criticize say na shawo ni na den na okoba ashawo ne talk na mama are you a virgin Oh, a virgin ana. If you are saying policy, you know me. If you are doing it, do it and do it well and get something out of it. Else, don't do it. It's two things. If you are doing it, do it well. Nenya bibi free mu. Enya sa enko ho kra.
Mesanso emamo akwaba sronko ebi miss mesical enetimensa nifa so amene no ebetwetwen enkomo ba mesimi ma akwaba
mini aba meje wo so
empomboko
nyame adom
de radias
de bia na wo fe ne ba na eba
nyame o
nyame adom nko a
aba mesi ye nuaba Tracy Boakye ne nsem a wode abeto dwamigidi se watie mu ensem na se wo bo ma binu machi bo yes wo mo ne wo mo bo like enemu hu nyoma watie de na betimi aka fa ho
me ya ba me da wase ni question ya da me na first of all me na makonya isu echia watie fo ne ahwefo ni na some jemre ehweyen
okay
me ya ba ya sema waken emo efiri na komemu no kan ye mu na ne kasemu no kan ye bat
okay
wa polish ashawe no ama na ye fe
okay
si wo hu e wo mu se relationship long ni be ma betna embe mama babu emba you ama ba kwasia too much because ya ye for their mom
okay
emba enhu omo value sanken ba be hu omo value a and be ma take it for granted because emba we have so much power God has given to us. Okay. But ayana out of ignorance, we live our life and fail. Share say for what reason na obanya mi ama wonyoma shronku won say your boy Adam wie ye no na Adam wada when hu kwan a nyame na wo so bo Eve nyame bo Eve shronku kra so say okanfo oba enti oba ye stronko enti ebe hu that value na ka ebe kra ye ho ye ashawo is not any good. She has polished it say even that one is wrong ashawo wrong and he dating a man living with him like a wife and a husband on worry we so wrong. They are all wrong, two wrongs. And there is nothing right about whatever like ashawe no or polishing no. For what reason about you put me okay, I don't wish anyone to go to that kind of condition to the extent say the only option is ashawo. Because any good option and ema obi echo into ashawo. It is not anything good that you wish for someone.
Okay.
It's not good at all. Good is even not good is underestimate. Oh yes, because usho be a won peno. Now akoda all because of what you eat. Obi when you say you obedient to you, obi wo be peer pressure, influence. Other people are living a life or person living. Meanwhile, so most of them control so. In Bible control so. 18 years so ma when you bro bia. Okwe dros no achimu be won say lady bi buy na ton perfume ne oil bi a emba use mo ma say ne wo ye tontromo ne enya enka papa ma be echi be ma no to me sign check ma tofie yes, people do things for what they want. And in desperation, obi wawa enye because the person is lacking what to eat, where to sleep, but it's because of someone's life the person is living, and also person living that kind of life. And I didn't call ashawo mo. Enti enye awuchire enye bebre awuchire na di omu komu. Ebi nso spiritual manipulation.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ashawo enye ade papa spirit etaichire good. The backing of a shower is not a good spirit. And to be a manipulation, yeah, the best saying, yes, who say in Bapel, who say in Bemapel, who name say is the way to your distraction, a choir or bonny funny person or the sell. And to be a manipulations, in bomb was supposed to baby, spiritual marriages, near mom. Do you know if you don't live your life for anything can get to you? And your shower, and you say, Obi away, I'm much as I'm saying, Obi a manipulation, a bit my spiritual backings, a bit to me influence, peer pressure, a bit me about to say, yeah, I want you, but I don't wish anyone to go into a shower. And I am banner so can ye papa. Hey, young mobile. At times, you need to go so. Okay. Share actions speak louder than words. Say no credit, I back up, but nipa doesn't pen no credit. Se ben ma pewa ebe ye nani kan se obetutu anamo akọ o family wa ko hu am se obe yi me hu no oba fefe me hu no magina to me pese oye me yere eye wine empire de papa ana wine no hu ade eye opa onko pesi kan ban beto say what mas e bia we hia that moment you ni sika but you will do anything say you get the money to go and buy what you want senya obi nfa ho konkoto enti se bema ebomodia bu nani gu so na wotete se yire uye aduane ma no and 10 times no person on woda on it's not permitted. It should not be allowed. In fact, the man is misusing you. The man does not enya ho chere. Because Mimi won't say if you really want to do, you will go any mile for it. And it said the moment I be pushing on, and that means there is a question mark. There is something wrong. There is something that say well, baby, or you're confused about you. And you're confused about you, and it depends on several characters. A bit me about say wow character na yet. Okay. Ebetimi abasa unbo unmodin obibi mu edwuma bi mu ebetumi abasa wonye oba ba ko one wote ebia mba ne dooso ebetumi abasa like one kasa undi unhuni and now say near up ebetumi abasa say undu ne standard of woman or pe enti say action speaks to you say this man is going to betray you now say when dwane. Now I say one day the best son is subai one day the obenya sika me na me come chira you are wasting your time total waste of time. No man loves you and keep you for 7 years 8 years and then up pay free na ka wonye papa nkonto won chire de that means ono aka so onye steady. That man is not steady. He's wrong. He's a wrong person for you.
Okay. Oba mes na chese won kasa yem na ya abaya ne nsemo wo kan edifa ema ene emema wo musunu no na chese ne kwan so anu ba just polish ashawe no na wo ne na anya adwen wo hono
no correct.
Okay na Ghana fo binum esusu se nsemo a wode aba beto abontin se de empanifo ka se hunu bi penti na abo asere wa wo gine ba agura na wayi nani ato nchen de akona ni pene de onamunti enna ebia amano ababontin a woka esa uhunisen
mini aba me kra first na out of experience and obi to me expressing the home very well.
Okay.
And if you've not been in it, you can't tell what is in there.
Okay.
And Amuamu is a celebrity. They go through a lot, and she's no exception. She's a celebrity.
Yeah.
Well, Shanayas, mini aba baby I will be a Jew too. She went through a lot behind the with Yaya and Esopoku. So and Esopoku is a nice young man. And Naya senior bathroom. And so look at what happened. So look at what happened. And to one out a child dream will say, how come? Because obey on your bathroom, be so and then he can't be faithful. Because uti Ernesto Pokwenye Naya Senkwana oni na ye bibi. So at times the problem is not the ladies, the problem is the men.
Okay.
If a man have a problem of humanizing, hey, my sister, and you won't akuma din dia, and you are not ready to wait, then pray for divine strength to move on. Because akrafoɔ deɛ wobɛnya bebree and aside akrafoɔ ne krampo no he's ready to choose you my dear he's ready to choose you
ono ne asem no
enti nya o kan deɛ ɛyɛ time and by yɛsɛ yɛ ma yɛ nidie no ɛdeedi and you say you would disrespect. No, you can't. Your life can't go anywhere without you respecting or obra unwase. And yeah, possible. I will say they see a cra. Okay. Obu I see the money I do obu money need the money I need the descent because I open a door back offer. Aside that number, we should stand for our right. We should stand for our dignity. We should stand for what is good for us. They are also adapting wrong character.
Yeah.
Because I'm free say you can just have a boyfriend at 19 years, 18 years, and later it will work. It's a lie, my dear. It's a lie. If you are a youth and you are looking at me, you cannot date 18 years, 19 years, and the guy is serious to marry you. Stop wasting your time. Or break your virginity. Or you obey jawato. Later no. Obeko ko sugar mommy and so obeko ko put obi or what obi be kan onu wa arranging the standard already enti later no obeko ko show obi o fitting the standard ni we jawo we waste time with him no esiwo no wa just we increasing no obeko say we grading on high see we enti youth no don't mamu jeja mo women or baby are beautiful if you get a good dress to wear and if you get a good makeup to do and you fear God, my dear, you are beautiful because I want I was tall. Enti ema be maybe mbu say ho nye fa na say if you are a woman of substance automatically you be beautiful. Who a woman you carry value. You can do things for yourself. You are using your potential. You are using your capability. No man can take you for granted. But at times, we undermine ourselves, and any man will walk in and take you for a fool. My dear, we should wise up.
Na when say man na woman so etna mema ne enche no because of say bia de bia womo enye nti ene mema no so ntimi ntu saa na mo no womo ehwehwe na na
ebetumi nso abanisa because mbani bi wo wa omo so omu ni suban e na omu nye ready to say omu besua hwe.
Okay.
Ti say oba osi so ne mama ye aduane kront na obekọ na aben no akodi be me so me kai say me ni lady bi nya encounter national service time na oye aduane 2 times ni me ye aduane na obedi o kanensa bo ye aduane 2 times bi me on ban me di e kan si kai hey na such a woman enti ene be me yo pene keke so wo enti betimi abase mba ni bi won so mba ni suban de ye fe.
Okay.
Oh ni suban ye fe oni problem bia wo su ne ban no but when it comes to fault I mean kakra so ene mba no so soup o ma no oya imba so ya no ya dia ye kum be ma sunsumo a word from you can kill your man forever. See what it only be matters no one no so one control one no say one no can say my be man e bubu na anything say me ko worry lady lady otimi bubu me say na will I be happy aside what we can do to make a man happy yes to buy so e ma be man to me etina say ana so mo ko na enti na make say ebetumi aba so say oba no you okay but be man no so na etumi ye problem enti ye both side but ye na me sure say be your homework here and we will be with the right person at the right time.
Okay. Yadi answer ba na we no Tracy Boakye wo kansen bi say wono no we two things na wono ohun ne say work out in life say is it that say wo ya de pa na wo ye de aya de pa no de nya de wo hwehwe say de bone so na wo ye so na wo ye de apre de wo hwehwe na me pese mi hunu say enti se wo fa kwan bone so de enya bibi de enya ho de ye a because of say ya ade a wo pe na wo pese wonya nti no wo se sa kwan bone na so na wo fa de nya enuma bi wo ho no ma kwan bone nkwan so ne ye fa de nya ye betimi nsa aka na se ya sa ne o ma no so kwan pa wo ho a wo fa wo nsa betimi aka
me nya ba ekia question 3 in a time. Okay, me ni aba no say begin me catch her or say or you wrong wo that side.
Yeah.
Say all polishing what is wrong. In other ways, so you're right because Bible crackers obey you are. Now I knew. Obey shin so now I she. New no and so was so. And na shin so was so. It is a bonimu na we new one. And so we say ye waiting to banyani our but remember the implication behind and also be receiving fair. Yes. And na eba uya shin so a enso so was so eye papa eye den ye be ko aboa o obi be kan ewieye ene asem no na nye mfiti ase enti se wo ye bibi adwen ewieye na wo de aye wo mfiti ase se wo andwen ewieye ne de aye so hu se ewieye no so de den ya mini aba na ne kwia ewieye ne de be to obia na wo wieye na be ye fe se ebeye time ejina wo nipa ne so enti biblically ne krapo no wa clarify se obeye nyu ayenyu obeye hia yeshi ba bone na ono obedi su bone na meka se no die mem enjoy se wona bone so enya ne a wo pe wo die sanka manfo be fi asamadu aba be ka kire wo bone like ne edi omko asamadu anka me gidi se enyoma bi wo wa ye bejai.
Your Obama for final words etu edwama etiefo.
Okay, obi bia o hwe me final word ne say yen jin ya brabo mu nyina ye relationship ye bibie mu no ye make sure say ye be ye match analysis che yen bu ye ho yen build your self confidence your self esteem yen build your ho ye make sure say we will advance so that on your own you are complete and any man that walks in will appreciate you but say obana say nyoma to si no ne will build dia bebre ebi benya akoma boa ene wa build ebi mun so de omo mpe ni ameboa wo ne ya build oni sa time open ya bring the da omo mpe ni ya bring the da no ba obe use we jai wo ene obi won so ndo benya abotere esiesie mo abeye fetise ne ya ope etini ni na emagina ye so enti ukona se nipa ni action ni kire se oye nipa bia onye ready say ebia you are not complete and you need someone and you so the when you to nipa na so but you are doing your own thing before the person walking no ba no be boa fine but enti na won gugu wo mo obi take fa won ye doormat and you say obey disrespectful. Don't be disrespectful. You have to be humble, all right. Be submissive, all right. But work with wisdom. And wisdom comes by the fear of the Lord. That's the only thing I have.
Yo Obama si yebeda wasepa ewo futu hwe shama wode ayama too much etiefo ene ahwefo nso ne yen ayewo ahanyanya misha opa abusuafo aha ene de enkomo twetwe no ebesi subscribe to your channel no so wonye ya ebiom so share videos like na share fama abusuafo ne adofo no obetimi nso so afollow yen ewo ye IG page @tumagh_. Me amedi dwumedi ho chia me midi ene akwesi kapa me ne messi cow ene twetwe enkomi dasane yebesane hia.